Double Bowl Farmhouse Apron Front Fireclay Kitchen Sink by Barkano. The kitchen is not only the place where meals are prepped, but also where meals are shared. Because of this, your kitchen should have a little bit of class and style. The Double Bowl Farmhouse Apron Front Fireclay Kitchen Sink by Barkano provides just that. The sink is wide and deep with dimensions of 32.5 by 20 by 10 inches and comes with 2 bowls. This gives you plenty of room to clean your dishes after a hearty meal. Made from Fireclay, the sink is built to last. The sink has 2 classic styles, smooth or fluted. To get the right size for your kitchen, ensure that you have the proper measurements. Fireclay is a natural material, and the delivered sink size may vary. If you're not sure about size, inquire first so that you can get informed on what to buy. Installation is by Undermount.